right when I first graduated college in 2007 was right about the time that this whole green trend started. And one of the first terms I ever heard of that really educated me on what that topic meant was Green Guard. And it was a year after that, in 2008, when I decided to study for this LEED exam for commercial interiors, that I was really educated on what Green Guard meant and how much that it really performs in the industry today and how much that means to healthy interiors and the environment that we really live and work in every single day.
So one of the Green Guard certified products that's out in the marketplace today, or product lines, is KI. Tell us a little bit about why you like specifying KI products.
Well, KI honestly was one of the very first manufacturers that introduced my firm to Green Guard, or at least from my perspective, it was one of the very first interactions I had with a manufacturer coming to us with environmentally friendly products. That came to us primarily through the demountable wall system, and with time, over the last 4 years, there's been so much development. I mean, it exists in almost every single product. And that's one of the great things about KI is you can go to them for lounge furniture, or you can go to them for demountable wall products and everything in between. So you not only have an amazing breadth of products to offer a client for a one-stop shop, but it's high quality, and the environment has always been a focal point from KI.
So in your opinion, how critical is it that a product actually has healthful attributes, for example, low chemical emissions?
Oh, it's incredibly important, especially nowadays. Not only are we knowledgeable about the green products that's available to us, but now our clients want to know more about it. So it's helpful to us to have products out there where not only, does it come from within a 500-mile radius, but the space that they're working and living in is breathing friendly, I guess. There's so many cases today with people developing asthma or allergies that they've never had before. And I think that has a lot to do with the environments they've been working in for so many decades. And I definitely think that we're starting to see it from the ground up. There are products from finishes to the actual furniture you're working in that contribute to better air quality so that people have a healthy work environment.
So that gives me a really good segue. I was just going to ask how important specifically indoor air quality is to you as a designer, and why?
I think it's one of the first steps you take. People come in the office, they're there every day. You definitely don't want to be putting them in a harmful situation. And it's one of those things that you can't see it. You don't even know it's around you. So I think it's our job as designers to recommend products that we know will contribute to a healthier environment for employees. Even if the client doesn't ask for it, I definitely think it is our responsibility, because we do have this knowledge and we know how much it affects people, to go ahead and put forth products such as KI and those that are Green Guard certified.
What is your firm's position on sustainable design? How important is sustainability in your particular firm?
Incredibly important. I was hearing about it from day one back in 2007 when I started with IA Interior Architects. And since then, we were just at the very beginning of that trend. But since then, I think now over, I would say 60% of the office has LEED certification or is a LEED AP. And we are more and more often being asked to do LEED projects. So our clients are very interested in putting forth the investment in a healthier interior. So of course, we have continued to challenge our new employees to go ahead and educate themselves on sustainable products and go forth and take the LEED exam, so we have that knowledge and we can be responsible when it comes to planning for our clients' interiors. So it's very important.
And Heather, last question, how long have you actually been designing?
4 years. So it's from 2007 to now. And I did take a 1-year break. I was doing furniture dealership stuff. And again, there, it is very important to many clients to specify green products.
Thank you so much for your time and for answering these questions.
You're welcome.